Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to single crochet. After we've made our foundation chain, we're going to start working on the top part of the foundation chain. To start a single crochet, we're going to skip the first chain and insert our hook into the second chain. We yarn over and pull up 2 loops on our hook. We yarn over and pull through both. And again, insert, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Here it is slowed down. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull your yarn through both loops. Once you've worked the rest of the single crochets on the foundation chain and get to the end, we're going to turn our work and work on the back side of the project. This is the start of a new row, and we're going to create what's called a churning chain. So you're just going to chain 1 and insert your hook through both sides of that little V that we have right on top there. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, and pull through both. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!